Verasity, a top 15 promising project with a market cap under 100 million. And you see Verasity right in the middle that has 84 million of market capitalization. Let's talk about that and more. Verasity. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Now, Verasity to me is making it happen behind the scenes. I know the price is at 1 cent. It actually dropped a little bit, but this is an opportunity to continue doing your research and potentially add this more to your portfolio, even add more, or even looking to add this to your portfolio. I'm really excited about Verasity because a lot of exciting things is happening. And when I see things like this, a top discounted project to keep an eye on, I see Verasity VRA right here. You got the exchange of Kucoin and 64.4 million of market capitalization. This is a top project that people are not talking about as much because it does solve a problem. It's just people just not talking about it as much. Maybe it's the price is only 1 cent, which I think in my actually projection about 50 cents by the end of this year when things start to really start going back up again in terms of the market. And also you can get Verasity in the description box in below this video. You can get it on Kucoin. Check out Kucoin. Kucoin is a really good place to get cryptocurrency, and also Uniswap is another good place as well. But click on the link below to add some Verasity to your portfolio if this is something you want to do, not financial advice. Now, Verasity, let me tell you what Verasity is. It's a protocol and product layer platform for esports and video entertainment. I like this because it solves a major problem. Now check it out. Before I get to that problem, I like this as well. Top 15 promising projects with market cap under 100 million. And my favorite one on here is Verasity right in the middle. That's right there. It's actually one of those promising projects that you want to consider having. Now we want to go back to what I was talking about in terms of the problem, the solution and the problem that's mixing with Verasity. Top game-changing cryptocurrency you should probably back today. Verasity is number one. I cannot really make this up. Number one. Why is it number one? Well, here's it is, the solution and the problem. Now you see the problem here. In 2020, advertising fraud inflicted economic losses of 35 billion US dollars worldwide. The size of the global digital advertising market was estimated at 333 billion US dollars, which put an ad fraud at more than 10% of the total. As bots get smarter, even U.S. privacy regulation, GDPR, the General Data Protection Regulation, which was created to protect consumers, may be of no value in helping reduce the number of ad frauds. Now, this is a solution now. By eliminating fake views, the Verasity ecosystem is able to fairly value content regardless of content type. Let me go ahead and zoom this in. Audience demographic or a third-party monetization strategy. So that's their solution. To this date, this is probably the biggest partnership Verasity has managed to secure, and that's this here, the Tencent games. And now we gotta look at Verasity's current available on Ethereum network, and it's trading at basically 1 cent. Now that's telling you a little bit more about it. 𝐂𝐭𝐸coin's number two. I'll talk about 𝐂𝐂𝐿coin in another video. I love 𝐂𝐂𝐿coin. I really believe 𝐂𝐂𝐿coin is definitely good. Now we'll talk about 𝐂𝐂𝐿coin in another video. That's another one of my hidden gems. But Verasity here is number one. You get on Uniswap and Kucoin. So this is what more about Verasity I was talking about. Verasity is here to change the game. VRA is a number one for a good reason. They are solving a real world problem. The amounts of 160 billion of ad fraud globally. So they're solving that problem of ad fraud. And if you go to their website here, it talks more about what they do and what their mission is. Verasity mission is to significantly increase engagement and advertising revenue for video publishers on any video platform. That's what they do. And they also have the reward system with the product layer and more information and more things that's for the user. Now, let me go back to the price here. 1 cent to me is a steal, is a hidden gem. It's not being talked about a lot mainly because I don't think a lot of people know about this yet. Is ranked 407th on the coin market cap. That could be a reason, because normally most people look at the top 100, but not understanding that there's a lot of good projects that's not even the top 100. They're maybe in the top 300 or top 400 or even top 500, like Verasity is. Now, Verasity has a max supply and total supply of a little bit over 10 billion. That lets me know there's a lot of room to grow in terms of the supply there, and they got a market cap of over 46. But listen, to me, this is a steal because of what this problem they're trying to solve. They are top this kind of project to keep an eye on. They're on this list. This is my favorite project that's on this list here, is Verasity VRA. And here it is, also a top 15 promising project with a market cap under 100 million. That got my attention. And then this got my attention, is the fact that they are one of the top game-changing cryptocurrency you should probably bag today. And Verasity was #1 from this article. And I really believe on this list that they have Veracity's #1. And they actually have other ones on here that I'll talk about in other future videos. But they're solving a problem with this basically with this situation with the ad fraud. So that's what I'm excited about. I really feel like they're doing that. And also they have a really good ecosystem of rewarding people. And I love this VRA virtuous cycle, which is very simple in the process that happens in steps by steps. That's really going to help Verasity in the future. So my final prediction, my price prediction, is at least about 50 cents in a aggressive bull run. It can actually push it over 50 cents, maybe going close to 75 cents in this bull run. I really think Verasity VRA is going to be a force and reckon with. I can't wait until more positive news that comes out of Verasity, so I can give the video information to you. My name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this video. Why don't you go ahead and check out Verasity on KuCoin and the links below, or you can check it out on Uniswap. But I have the KuCoin link. You can go ahead and sign up. Very simple and very easy. And I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget, look at the top left. Watch that video as well. And hope that helps you today. I'll see you in another video.